Hi guys, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to be continuing my spring cleaning. This time I'll be cleaning in my dining room, so I thought I would take you along the way with me. So let's go ahead and jump right on into the video. So today I'm going to be starting off with my dining room chairs, and I'm going to be using this Hoover Clean Slate, and Hoover is the sponsor of this video. It is a spot cleaner, you guys, and it's small, but it's very powerful. It's easy to set up. All I have to do is put in the concentrated cleaner with some really hot water, and it basically takes care of any stains on carpet or upholstery, like on your sofa or chairs. I have a lot of light colored furniture in my house, and usually around the spring is when I just go through and I just clean all the upholstery in the house. Okay, so I'm going to be cleaning my chairs today. And guys, check out the link in my description box if you have upholstery or carpet that you would like to spot clean. This machine is perfect for that. Check out the link in my description box so you can learn more about it or to pick up one for yourself. It's super easy and quick. So let's go ahead and jump into the table. So what I'm going to do, I'm using some furniture wipes, and I'm just going to wipe down the table. And once I do that, I'm just basically taking the dust off the table. I'm going to buff it with another rag, which I did not show on video, but that's the next step that I took. Then I'm going to wipe down my lamps with some glass cleaner. These beautiful lamps that actually came from Home Goods. The boxes came from Home Goods, and the two-tier trays on either side of the boxes also came from Home Goods. The buffet was actually a Facebook Marketplace find, but I ended up painting it a gold color. So now I'm going to go ahead and decorate the table, and I'll show you the finished product in a minute. I'll have a list of where everything is from in the description box. This ginger jar is actually from Home Goods.
For me, yeah. Nothing that you could ever do would make me leave you, baby. I fell for you, you made it easy for me, yeah. Nothing that you, baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. This beautiful lamp right here is from Home Goods. I absolutely love it. I've had it for about a year or so now. Still in love with it. Next, I'm going to show you the light fixture in this room, which is from the Home Depot. And I know that they still carry it. It is definitely a statement piece in the room. Over here by the windows, in between the windows, is this beautiful Chanel picture, which I got from Burlington a few years ago. The two vases on the floor are from Haverty's. And guys, I want to thank you all for watching. Definitely check out the link in my description box for Hoover. And I will see you in the next one.